I was 17 when I found out I had cancer. I was in shock. There's not an emotion or feeling to describe how I actually felt. I think having my parents with me, I think it was more just how they were feeling in that moment. My mum was the one that always took me to my chemo treatments. We had to go to Oxford, and that's where I'd literally spend most of my days. Just having my mum's support was a big part of how and why I got through what I did. The Driving Against Cancer scheme is honestly like such an amazing thing. It's kind of given me the confidence to talk about what I'd been through and spreading that awareness, and also like showing people that it doesn't just stop when you get cancer. Like, there's still a whole life ahead of you. I'd say having John as my instructor has made me feel a lot more confident in myself and like my driving. He knows how to handle the anxiety I have in the car. So yeah, I just feel a lot more like relaxed when I'm with him. I think even today, driving to here, I felt John didn't have to say as much. Like comparing it to my first lesson to now, I definitely feel like I could do a lot more on my own. I love learning to drive. I think it's given me like an idea of what like life's going to be like when I actually pass. I would 100,000% recommend driving with Johnson, yes. They've made me feel a lot more confident in myself, not even just in the car, just in general. When I pass my test, I am going to drive straight to my best friend's house. She's been on this journey with me, so yeah, I'd want to pick her up first and just be like, come outside. Like, we've made it, I've made it, come on.